got our head here, and we've let this set up for a couple of days, so it will, now we can sand this down, and we're going to be using these brush sanding discs. This one here, sanding wheel. We'll use our palm sander for the big areas that we can get to, and then we'll have to go to hand sanding for places that I can't reach anything else with. So we got everything coated, so we're going to start by sanding this down. We'll start with this big brush. So these brush sanding discs work really well. These are different grit, and I got these on Amazon. Those work really well. You go through quite a few of them when you're sanding down, because you can see how this takes it down as you take that off. So we're going to get this sanded down, touch up what we need to be touched up, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.